In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best food steamers. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best food steamers. Number 5, Elite Gourmet EST1000. The Elite Gourmet EST1000 is a compact and highly efficient steamer, perfect for individuals or small families. With a 2.5 quart capacity, this mini food steamer is ideal for preparing veggies, seafood, chicken, and more. The 400-watt power ensures quick and even cooking, and it includes a BPA-free steaming tray for added safety. Its compact design makes it easy to store, while the 60-minute timer and auto shutoff feature add a layer of convenience and safety. For those looking to eat healthier without taking up too much kitchen space, the Elite Gourmet EST1050 is a fantastic choice. The easy-to-use controls and dishwasher-safe parts make cooking and cleanup quick and simple. Number 4, Oventi 2-tier electric food steamer. The Oventi 2-tier electric food steamer offers a fantastic balance of power and practicality with its 5-quart capacity and 400-watt motor. It's perfect for cooking various foods, from vegetables to seafood, and the stackable dishwasher-safe baskets make cleanup a breeze. The stainless steel base looks sleek and provides durability, making it a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. It also comes with essential features like auto shutoff and a 60-minute timer, so you can set it and forget it while ensuring perfectly cooked meals. This steamer is compact yet powerful, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or those who need an easy-to-store appliance. Its straightforward design is perfect for anyone looking for a user-friendly steamer that delivers consistent, nutritious results. Number 3, Hamilton Beach Digital Food Steamer. The Hamilton Beach Digital Food Steamer is a versatile kitchen tool designed for fast, healthy cooking. Its 5.5 quart capacity is perfect for preparing family-sized portions of vegetables, seafood, or even grains. The stackable 2-tier bowls allow you to cook different foods simultaneously, making meal prep faster and more efficient. Plus, its digital controls make selecting the perfect cooking time and settings easy, while the auto shutoff feature ensures safety and prevents overcooking. This food steamer's black and stainless steel design gives it a modern look that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. It's perfect for busy households that want quick, nutritious meals without the fuss. The transparent bowls allow you to check on your food while it cooks, and the removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Number 2, Bella 2-tier Food Steamer. The Bella 2-tier Food Steamer offers a highly practical solution for those who want fast, simultaneous cooking of different foods. With its 2 stackable, dishwasher-safe baskets, you can steam vegetables, proteins, and more at once, cutting down on your meal prep time. The removable base makes storage convenient and compact, while the auto shutoff and boil-dry protection features provide extra safety and peace of mind. The stainless steel finish is not only stylish, but also durable, ensuring this steamer will last through many healthy home-cooked meals. What makes this steamer truly stand out is its generous 7.4 quart capacity, perfect for preparing meals for the whole family or even meal prepping for the week. The clear lid allows you to monitor your food as it cooks, and with the Bella's rapid steaming feature, your meals are ready in minutes without sacrificing nutrition. Number 1, Cuisinart STM1000. The Cuisinart STM1000 is a premium choice for those who prioritize healthy, efficient cooking. With its sleek stainless steel design and durable glass steaming pot, it adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. The intuitive digital controls make it incredibly easy to use, allowing you to select the perfect cooking time and temperature for various foods. Whether you're steaming vegetables, seafood, or even grains, this steamer delivers perfect results every time. Its 5-liter capacity is ample for family-sized portions, and the steaming process preserves nutrients, flavor, and texture for healthier meals. One standout feature is its highly efficient steam distribution, which ensures your food cooks evenly, locking in essential vitamins and minerals. The glass pot not only allows for a clear view of your food while it cooks, but is also BPA-free, ensuring safety with every meal. Plus, cleanup is easy as the components are dishwasher safe. And there you have it, the top 5 best food steamers to make healthy cooking easier and faster. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.